Here in Dubai, $1,000 fine for not wearing a mask, so I'll be wearing a mask in this video. We know antidepressant drugs don't work. It's even been written about in the newspapers. And when they're that honest, we know the problem's extreme. Fortunately, there are many ways we can snap out of a state of depression almost instantly, usually in under 10 minutes. Here are 5 of them with scientific proof. Let's start with nature's most powerful antidepressant, sunshine. A study in the Journal of Affective Disorders, conducted over 6 years, examined how the weather can influence depression and mental disorders. They looked at 19 factors including seasons, wind chill, rainfall, solar irradiance, wind speed, temperature, cloudiness and pollution. The only factor which had any effect was sunlight exposure. Another study in The Lancet looked specifically at serotonin, the main hormone responsible for happy feelings, and they drew blood samples from men in different seasons. They found that the production of serotonin was directly related to sunlight exposure, and that when exposure to the bright sun rays occurred, the serotonin levels rose rapidly. Number 2, walking or exercise. A 2018 study published in PubMed Central found that just a short 10-minute walk improved the mood of study participants and could help to snap them out of a depressive state. In the same year, a YouGov survey on adults in the UK found that a natural high from exercise was achieved on average in 9 minutes and 44 seconds. The more intense your exercise session, the faster you achieve this rush of mood-boosting endorphins. 3 is meditation. The same study I just mentioned, which found that a 10-minute walk could reverse depression, also tested meditation on separate groups of participants, and they also got a positive response. A quick 10-minute meditation session is also helpful to stop depression. An interesting article from the Harvard Medical School explained that the medial prefrontal cortex becomes hyperactive in depressed people, as does the amygdala, or fear center, which triggers the adrenals to produce more cortisol. And these 2 parts of the brain work off each other to create depression. Meditation was found to break the connection between them and help to stop depression. 4 is laughing. Now, this seems like a no-brainer, but still the scientists have conducted numerous studies in this field. 2 meta-analyses found that laughter and humour significantly decreased depression. And interestingly, that simulated or self-induced laughter was more effective than spontaneous or genuine laughter at something funny, as different neural pathways were used by the body. The science showed that laughter decreases serum levels of many stress-making hormones, while increasing positive mood hormones such as dopamine and serotonin. It also allows the body to get a rush of oxygen-rich air, stimulating the organs to produce endorphins, which work similar to opioids to create a feeling of euphoria. And 5, following on from that point about oxygen-rich air, is a 5th and final way to quickly reverse depression: deep breathing. Interestingly, it is estimated that more than 60% of people with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, have anxiety or depressive disorders, showing that improper breathing does lead to depression. A study in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry had patients on depression medications instead perform yogic breathing, and they found that this breathing technique reduced depression. But a wider review of all the breathing studies published in PubMed Central showed that all slow breathing techniques reduced not only depression, but also anger, confusion, and anxiety. These are 5 methods that anyone can do at home to reverse depression fast. But for the very serious cases that don't resolve with these techniques, there are also powerful non-big pharma solutions that work. To learn more about causes of depression and find out these powerful solutions, please visit my website at healthglade.com.
Hi, this is Adam from Healthglade. If you enjoyed this video and want more health-related content that you won't hear anywhere else, please follow our social media channels. But our content is highly controversial and Big Brother often takes down our pages. So also join our mailing list at healthglade.com, and when it happens we'll email you links to the new ones. Our videos are not copyrighted, so you can help by downloading them and re-uploading to your channels. Thanks for watching, and if you know anyone who will benefit from this content, please drop a like and share it with them.